coverage now with more on Bill Maddox and the music community now mourning his death. Doug?
Well, Leslie, although he was most well known for being the drummer for Eric Johnson, friends say Bill Maddox was a star all on his own, which made him truly a unique talent. Now, Maddox was an Abilene native. He formed the jazz rock band the Electromagnets with keyboard player Stephen Barber back in 1973. Maddox also played in the Eric Johnson group, Alien Love Child, and Omar and the Howlers. But friends say other than being an incredible drummer with impeccable timing, he was also a songwriter, singer, and multi-instrumentalist. They say Maddox was just as comfortable playing blues and blues rock as he was playing jazz and jazz fusion. They also say he battled drugs and alcohol and became a sponsor who helped others fight their demons. After Maddox became sober, he worked with Michael Dell in a technical capacity when he was first forming Dell Computers. Friends say Maddox had a dry sense of humor and was a giant as a musician, but an even greater person.
He was just an all-around musician's musician, and it's so sad when that's taken away from us and the music community and the listening community at large as a whole. It's a tragic, sad moment for Austin.
Now, friends say above all, Maddox should be remembered as someone who transcended all musical boundaries and never fit into just one category. Reporting live in South Austin tonight, Doug Shoup, KXAN Austin News.